Hi, this is Shelley Sparks. I'm here at Park Jewel in Barcelona, and I wanted to show you these beautiful patterns on a terraced hillside here that are part of the park, part of the monumental part of the park. And this is a spectacular park. It's a combination of natural plantings, well, not natural, this isn't natural, but beautiful plantings, well thought out plantings, and built environment. So this is a Gaudi project. Antonio Gaudi was an architect who believes that that the most comfortable and beautiful architecture imitated nature, brought nature into the equation. And so many of his works have natural elements to it. We're going to come over to this really populated area, so there'll be lots of noise. But I want you to see the excitement that there is around his beautiful fountains. Starts there and moves down a mosaic feature that imitates or looks like a lizarded iguana or iguana. Everything here is thought out with shapes that are organic and beautiful and interesting. He used many techniques that people have imitated over the years since he created some of his beautiful work. And he was actually one of the most inspirational architects for me as a young landscape architectural student. So it's with particular joy that I recommend that you visit this park and revel in the natural and built world. And this is Shelley Sparks. If you'd like more information about landscape design, check out my website, www.harmonygardens.net. Thanks for listening.